We want to get the trailer ready for pickup. And what we need to do there is we need to cut back on the leveling screen. And we want to stroll down to auto retract. And then we want to press enter. And system will automatically retract all the jacks for us. And if it all goes well, we will remove the plates, put them back underneath the steps, and then it'll be all situated for the driver to move the trailer to his next destination. And it'll let us know on the screen. So right now it says ready, jacks up. So we have successfully retracted all the jacks. So we can cut off the screen. We can go ahead and move this lift. And then lock the doors, let it close. And now we got to move all the plates. Be careful with this slide out. We want to make sure you stay low as possible. So I'll go ahead and start with the front plates. So, as I mentioned before, you want to make sure when you put the plates in, that is slightly stagger. And the reason why I slightly underline them, to make it easier to get out. Otherwise, you have them exactly on top of each other. It's really challenging to lift the plates out individually. So now we got the front two plates in there. We want to get the back two plates now. So, to be energy efficient, I'm going to leave this here, and I'm going to get the other one. And go back around. Stay. Make up this one. And we're good to go. Yeah. So can't put two plates in at one time. Temporarily set the other plate aside. And you also want to put the steps back in. Try to put them in the way so it doesn't slide too far back. And you can lock, unhook, close cap. Careful with your hand, that door can get heavy. Okay, man, you're all set.